gani Sa pond?
No, a forest.
Sa forest?
Remember, I watching a big frog, a forest.
Sa forest gani. Anong colors ang frog man?
White and blue have a hairy head.
Hairy head, white and blue. And then have a hairy head. Oo, then may siya mga spikes, no? May spikes sa iyang body.
Like me?
You have a spikes? Spines man ay mo.
Yes.
Spines. Ang iya spikes man, meaning sharp. Meaning pointed. Pointed siya din ang iyang tang nagalaba. Oo, gahaba.
Yes.
And then, amo na iya ginagamit kung amo na iya ginagamit kung may kontra siya, may enemy siya na pagwa niya etang. Ay, maayo lang kasi Andrew may sword man.
Where's my gun?
No, sword lang imo dala.
No, I have a gun my likod.
Okay, may gun bagit. Ano nga klase nga gun?
Teacher giving me that gun.
Ano nga gun?
McQueen gun.
McQueen nga gun.
May bala.
May bala nga dako. Okay, si Anjo may dala nga McQueen gun and then may dala pagid nga sword.
What the shield?
May shield pagid.
Take me, a frog eat me.
Okay, may shield si Anjo and then may sword pagid.
Bye.
Ano man dala ni Rai Rai?
And a sword and a monkey bag.
May dala man siya nga
And a monkey gun.
McQueen gun
And
ka.
a sword.
And a
And
sword.
a shield.
Parehas ka mo, the same ka mo duha.
But blah.
Ano man yung dala?
Sword. And
Sword man?
and a monkey gun.
Hindi man siya kabalo.
I that and blah. Shoot, boom.
Hindi siya kabalo mag-use ng gun ka sword.
Blah, boom.
You will teach Lablab?
Boom.
You will teach Lablab? How about the sword? Paano mo siya tudluan?
And yeah.
Ambe? Amo na. Ay, nagdala si Lablab sang sword ya Wala ka mangga pamati kay nanay?
Machine gun.
Wala ka manggalisan kay nanay?
And I have blah have very many stuff and many guns.
Okay, si Lablab ang gadala sang staffs nyo.
I help you, blah.
Ga-help man ikaw. How about Rai Rai?
Yes.
Ga-help man. And then gin-fight ninyo ang frog.
Later.
Later. Pag-hide pa siya. Oo, ga-hide siya. Kasi na magbuot ng story. Ako o ikaw? Who will make the story? Me or you? You. Me? Okay, so wala siya nag-hide. Nag-fight na kamo dayon.
Hide a tree.
Nag-hide yun siya sa tree. Dayon, nag-ano ka mga tatlo bay?
Hide balay.
Nagpuli ka mo sa balay? Kasi sino nga balay?
Nanay betang tatay.
Nagpuli
And
ka.
dito.
Nagpuli ka mo sa balay ni Nanay Bet ni tatay.
Both dito.
Okay, Tito is also here
After me.
And then, ang frog karon wala na fight ang frog.
Dito is hiding a tree.
Paano ka nag-fight sa frog kung kahit siya?
Hiding. As tired.
Tired pa ka mo. So, nag-rest ka mo danay sa balay. And then, so, naka-rest na ka mo, may energy na ka mo, ginlook ninyo, pangita ninyo ang frog. Ha? Wala man galisin.
I listen.
Ay, gani. Ipangita nyo gani ang frog.
Gani.
And then, pagkita nyo ka frog, ga-sleep pa ng frog. Ga-snore pa ang frog. Ga-snore pa ang frog.
Yes.
And then, paano nga rin mag-snore si Lolo ga? Ako na si Lolo mag-snore. Bibi. May sound gidya? Ay! May sound gidya ang snore ni Lolo? Hey, makasleep lang ikaw? Okay, makasleep lang ikaw. Anad lang ka? Okay. And then, ang frog pod, ga-snore pod. Very, very noisy. Loud. Gid kayo yung snore. And then,
I sleep Tito's room, only I lock the door.
okay. Hey, hindi ko i-fight ng frog.
I'm scared. That's scared. Nanay can have many guns.
No, you're not scared.
Tito have many guns of room.
Sure. Wala
Yes.
kasi dito ba?
I thought that I have a big gun.
Don't use it.
At number 4, we saw a
Why?
picture of baby Chris
Ano
in the
lang ganin mo?
headlights.
Dapat
In
toy
season
guns
16,
lang, no?
episode 10, we saw him
Tell
as a
me.
toddler who got
Okay.
volunteered for the
And then,
radio
amo na
station.
to. Nag-fight ka mo sa frog. Hindi ka mo scared. Ya kay brave ikaw. Strong
Season
ikaw.
18, episode 5,
Ay, sino lang
showed a
ma-fight,
video of
bay?
him as a baby solving a
Ang
Rubik's Cube,
nanay
but it
and
turns out
tatay.
Ryan played
I'm
the video
scared
in
also.
reverse to trick Stewie.
Tatay have a gun.
Tatay lang. Tatay fight. Iga. Tatay fight the
Without
frog.
Lulu.
Ma-fight man si Lolo? Hindi. Si Lolo is old naman. Isa grandpa.
What Lulu?
Ni, scared na si Lula. Scared na si Lula
Why?
yun. Scared na si Lula sa frog yan.
Poterios.
Okay, pwede si Ellie. Strong, brave man si Kuya Ellie.
But me,
Are you brave also? Yeah, ma-fight ka eh.
I eat rice already.
Yeah, you eat rice and what?
And
Soup. Okay, very good. And then that's it. Nag-fight na sila. Si Tatay, sino pa kaya ito?
Amalas.
Si Elias. Who
But
else?
Brantley.
Okay, pwede po.
Brantley's not eat rice.
We don't know.
Brantley not eat rice. Brantley is a big frog of food.
Gin-eat siya sang frog.
Tell me.
Si Kuya Brantley gin-eat sang frog because wala siya nag-eat rice.
Yes, tell me. Not big noise. Tell me will suffer.
Nag-suffer si?
Me, you.
No, kay nag-hide si nanay, kay scared si nanay. Si tatay lang nag-fight kay si Andrew.
But
And
Elias.
Elias.
And but Brantley.
And Brantley also. Gin-fight nila si Froggy. And then, ginpagwa ni Andrew ang iyang sword nga so laba long kayo. And then Tatay has a gun. Ellie has a shield. And Brantley has a slingshot. You know what is slingshot? Huh?
I have a version of slingshot, gold, and a big gold bottles, and many them.
You have a gold slingshot? In
My cave. Over there, my secret with secret.
Yun ang secret what? Ano na secret mo ikaw?
And many guns gold.
Really? Pwede ka maprinda ang mga gold na gun?
Technically a younger version of him. At times we saw a young version of Chris Griffin. In season 14, episode 19, we saw him as a baby and